I
These
can't believe we're moving this hard. I mean, I don't. This is like
these
we're up 500 from the bottom.
ranges are nuts.
Yeah. Like, jeez. Because even then, like this PM high looks close. That shit took 130 points away still.
Yeah, no, it's still pretty far, honestly.
What up, Volts?
What up, volts? Did the Swatch collab release?
I'm pretty sure it did.
I saw some of the New York jewelers going crazy over it, bro. They're like standing outside buying it off people like $2,500 a pop, $3,000 a pop.
Yeah, no, people are like scooping them up for some reason.
Yeah.
A lot of people think they're gonna have resale value, but I don't know.
Z, if you want the high time frame rejection block indicator, just go into Trading View and type in rejection block. Rejection blocks by taking profits. 1.4K. I still didn't even listen to one of the Drake songs.
I haven't listened to any of the album.
Yeah. I haven't listened to anything.
I don't even know if I will.
I just want to know like the good songs. I'm not trying to listen to all of it.
Yeah, exactly.
Bias longs.
See if we hold this 15 minute and then just run. Either the small one or this bigger one below it.
Yeah, no, I know, I know like all of old Drake songs, but I don't know any of the new shit, honestly.
A lot of people said it was trash.
Yeah, BBL Drizzy on the plate. I make fun of Drake. That's not fanboying him. I'm gonna be working on these TPTs this week.
Solid. Hopefully it's just long, so they should just be easy long.
Hopefully, man. Just make it easy on Q.
Literally. This 15 minute area should hold into the open. Ideally.
Yeah, I definitely wanted to.
Would be like the make sense area with that 1 hour foot.
What do you think about tapping equilibrium first of this range?
Mm, honestly, it depends. Where do you have equilibrium from?
The 5 minute. So the after we made the SMT with the midnight open, that low to
Okay, yeah.
the high.
I mean, we could, yeah, we could like retrace deep. I mean, it just depends. Like once we come into, I think we'll come into like this bigger 15 minute, and then once we come into there, we'll kind of see like how far down we retrace. But equilibrium is pretty much like the bottom of it, right?
Yeah, almost the bottom of that.
And that 5 minute,
Yeah.
that unfilled like 5 minute down there.
Yeah.
So I mean, yeah, that could be solid. They definitely like this leg up should be like we should hold this leg
Yeah,
at
definitely.
least like equilibrium should be like the most we go down. I feel like because if we like start coming down to 705, I don't know if I'll like longs that much, like that deep into the range.
Fair, fair.
ES already tapped like the bigger gap. It doesn't have the smaller one on the 15.
Wait, say it again. Sorry.
ES already tapped like the bigger fair value gap on the 15 minute because it didn't form that smaller one
Oh, I
at the
got
top.
you. I see. Okay, word.
So that's an SMT there for now. We got a minute left.
Yep. That's right.
Honestly, it'd be nice if like we open and like kind of dump lower, retrace, and then start to buy back up.
I would like that, honestly.
I think that'd be solid.
Depends, where we retrace to, but I definitely want to see a nice retrace here.
Yeah. Technically 705. I mean, it is like a lower like 15 minute gap. I just feel like if we retrace that low, like the buy model is kind of weird at that point. But I mean, it could be valid. 705 is like perfectly that 15 minute at the bottom there. That 730 gap.
Yep.
Hold on, I just clicked the sell button on paper on accident.
That would be, a pretty deep retrace, but
That's what I'm thinking. Yeah, here's open.
okay.
Sheesh.
Let's see.
We barely tap that big gap. 15 minute.
All right.
See how far down we come. Okay. So you tapped into like this unfilled 5 minute and then that 15 minute.
Yep. The lower 15 minute.
Mm.
There's no lower gaps for us to flip. But
Yeah, that's the thing.
so we might want to see it probably, resweep the lows.
Yeah. You might want to dig deeper into it
Yeah.
or even go for that equilibrium ultimately.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, it's kind of holding up more in this area.
Yeah, it definitely doesn't look as weak.
Yeah.
Let's see. SMT here. Let's see if that holds.
Yeah, yes, retrace a little bit deeper. It's 15.
is that SMT really gonna send it? No way. 1 minute SMT.
Possible.
I still want to see us probably retrace more.
Yeah, it doesn't look like it will like buy up right away.
Yeah.
Sheesh.
So 275 is CE of the IFEG on the 1 hour.
Got you.
So let's see if there's any support here.
Damn.
Let's see if we open this 1 minute.
See. Check this OT.
Nope.
I don't know. I think we could like kind of hold anywhere in this 15 minute, to be honest.
Yeah.
Just depends like when we bounce. Like we have S&T now inside of it. See, I mean, depending how you take these fibs, like if you take like the 5 minute from like that 7:55 low instead of like the 7 a.m. low, like technically we're at equilibrium here.
Okay.
But I guess if you wanted to use this low all the way down here, then yeah, we haven't hit it yet. But if you just use like this, I guess most recent like kind of swing from 7:55, technically we're off equilibrium inside of that 15.
Okay, word.
But ES looks kind of like heavy right here.
Yeah.
Kind of odd. They just correlated for like that 1 minute candle.
Mm-hmm.
That last candle there.
No bullish shine whatsoever on ES there.
You know, it's actually like a confluence.
Like a
Like
discorrelation.
Nasdaq, like yeah, like Nasdaq having that bullish close and then ES having like the bearish close. It's called like a PSP, something like that.
Oh yeah, I've heard that. It's a quarterly theory
Yeah,
term, right? Yeah.
yeah. So it's something like if you get that, like you get that kind of a candle, like an SSS, like SSMT, then it's like a super strong kind of like confluence.
Good to know. Good to know.
SSMT, I realize is just like an SMT out of like the quarters. Like it's
Yeah.
kind of just like
It's
yeah.
a time-based SMT, right?
Yeah, exactly. So like it's between like you could just go on like the 90 minute and the 6 hour and just kind of look at like if we have SMT between the highs, and that would just be an SSMT.
Yep. That was honestly a big breakthrough for like indicator-wise, like us coding the indicators for SMTs, like time-based SMTs, because it's super simple to code, you know,
Yeah.
based off of just time.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, most of the time when you do like use an SMT in your trades, like it usually is like it ends up being sequential. Like it's not just like a regular one.
Yep.
Whenever you go back, you realize it's always like sequential.
100%. And there was a time where like I completely just stopped looking at regular SMTs and only looking at sequentials.
Yeah, exactly. Like I mean, even this internal SMT that we have like is technically a sequential SMT.
Okay.
He looks very weak here, I'll say. I think he's kind of starting to catch up. See if we come down into that equilibrium area from that like swing low there on the 5 minute. Kind of see if we end up digging into it. I mean, 705 is that like lower 15 minute, which would be like super discounted gap. But I do want to kind of see this higher one hold, just because like we are just stair stepping higher. I want to see like the higher low put in.
Yeah.
This looks super heavy, low key.
Yeah.
And honestly, if we do short, I'm just gonna fade. Like I'm not gonna short today. I don't really want to.
I mean,
especially. I mean, like we kind of like shorted heavy on Friday. This kind of looks like we're in the buy model now.
Yeah. No, I really just want to see longs too.
Yeah. I mean, technically we're still within all-time high conditions, so it just makes sense. The only thing that Dodgy's ever said that made sense is that all-time highs is going to be long 70% of the time. It's probably the only thing that I've taken serious, which is valid.
So
Because I mean, we've shorted a few times throughout the couple weeks, and it's not the best to do it.
nah, yeah. Long till you're wrong, kid.
It's super discretionary. I mean, you can short, but it's like you have to like kind of understand you're shorting like the high time frame reachers.
Yeah, and you have to be absolutely like really picky. Like,
Hmm.
let's see.
Like you can't hold for expansion. You got to be kind of smart, low hanging fruit.
Yep. We got the.
See if we start to build from here.
We got a 30-second flip there, but I'm gonna wait. I want to wait for like a change in the state in the 1 minute.
Valid. Yeah, I want to see this 1 minute kind of like start to flip structure here
Yeah.
on this like leg here from the open. Start to come up and flip some of these like bearish candles.
Still no gaps. No 3 minute. There's a 5 minute. We're
Yeah, so far we're just tapped into like I guess like these lower 5 minute gaps, and then it looks like we're gonna open up this next bearish 5 minute potentially.
Mhm.
It might start getting into like that like in between price where we're just gonna form gaps on both sides.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm down.
But I mean, keep in mind it is a Monday. We do have zero news today, and like honestly, this week is pretty dry in terms of like high impact.
Yeah, I mean, dude, I'm down to literally just flip a micro. For a
I mean, yeah, if it comes down to it, like if it ends up just being kind of like nah, then yeah.
Yeah, like I don't know if I really want to short. Like if it just continues to bleed, I might just flip a micro and call it.
Yeah, I mean the thing is like if we do continue to short, like we go down into this next 15 minute, and then that's like into those fibs like nicely, or we could bounce. So it's like yeah, definitely don't want to be shorting.
No, yeah, that would be like last time. Like if we break through those. Jesus.
Exactly, yeah. If we flip that 15 at that point, there's nothing to hold us like all the way down to that weekly gap. At that point, previous week low.
Only way I'll short is if we tap this 5 minute and it's super clean. It's like a nice 30-second or a nice 1 minute flip out.
That's valid.
I don't know.
I'd probably short like if we get closer towards like maybe the Asia lows, or if we just run that and like we're obviously going for like previous week low, then I would short to it.
But
I feel like if we get bearish, like that weekly gap will be the draw. But for now, it's like, let's see, it's like what, still 500 points away, so it's not something I would consider like too heavily right now. But if we start flipping this whole 15 minute down, then yeah.
yeah.
I mean, for right now, we're kind of like, I don't know, we're just hovering in this gap, really.
Yeah, no.
It'd be very hard to short through this.
There's nothing right now.
Yeah.
Did TJR buy a Bugatti?
I don't know. Somebody posted like that same Bugatti and said like it was like the one and only Bugatti that you could rent in the United States or something, and it was like that exact same spec, like down to the wheels. But I'm not too sure.
Everyone in the chat saying he rented it.
I just started to realize that like these guys get cars like for for us.
Yeah,
like he literally got that so that we could see it, but it's like, bro, like just get what you like. Like I told my friend yesterday, I was like, I could be sitting on 50 M's and I'm not buying a hypercar.
Yeah, no, it's fair.
But it's because like I'm an actual car guy, so it's like I'd rather take 100K and go build something insane that's gonna outdo that hypercar like through and through.
Agreed. 30.
Like in my eyes, that E36 is sicker than a fucking Chiron. Like I don't care about a Bugatti.
Oh, I agree too.
Like bro, that Bugatti has the same like seatbelt chime that my girlfriend's Volkswagen has.
That's funny as hell.
But like a custom built E36, I mean, you should keep the yellow lights, and then you should go yellow lights in the winter and then clears in the summer.
Ooh, I like that.
That'd be sick. You should actually drive that car in the winter. Like I think that would be sick. No tires on it.
Dude, that's gonna be my daily, bro.
But if you drive in the winter, you have to wash it every day. You have to keep the salt off of it.
So, dude, it was actually I'm pretty sure like a West Coast car or like somewhere in Texas or something. Like it has zero rust in the car. The shell is super good. And then
honestly, that's surprising for up north. Like it's very hard to find cars from up north that like are rust free.
Well, so
that's really good.
He like brought it from like the West Coast or something. Like he went like, I don't know what he did. He either trailered it or he like shipped it out. But it's like a West Coast car shell. And then the motor was from an old E36 M3 that, Darren and his son had. So that's who I'm buying it
Mm,
from, is Darren's family. I don't know if I said that, but
yeah.
um, and he had the
Oh
motor.
yeah, so that shit's gonna be mint.
Yeah, no, the motor was fully built out inside of the other E36, and then something caught fire like inside the engine, not the engine bay, the interior, and
Mm.
they had to pull the motor or whatever. So that car was done, but they put the motor that was built from that E36 into the shell. That's why he got the shell. I mean, dude, the fucking thing is mint, bro.
Is that paint on it?
Yeah, bro, it's full paint, full custom paint job.
Jesus.
It was like a $10,000 Nardo gray paint job. It had
Yeah,
like,
I figured. I was like, cause like, there's no way that's a wrap. That shit was like reflecting way too clean.
bro, it has all the door jams done, the window, the engine bay, the trunk, everything.
That's actually sick. Everyone's gonna think it's a wrap, and all you gotta do is open your doors.
Yeah, bro.
They're gonna be like wrap.
I'm gonna Alibaba the shit out of that car too, bro. Just wait.
Nah, I mean, like, what's the difference between the real parts and fucking Alibaba? To be honest, it's all the same shit.
Dude. Fuck that. I already started looking for like cold air intakes and stuff.
Oh yeah.
Cause I don't want that
Yeah, I
car to
mean,
be.
that car, I would just go like full bolt on. I wouldn't even go catalyst on that car.
Yeah.
I would literally just leave it like, I would just go intake. Maybe you could like, if anything, I would just be like upgrading like what it is. So like upgrading like the cooling or whatever. But I wouldn't even like really revert from stock to be real.
Dude,
Maybe some tasteful little mods.
I don't want to change the exhaust. All I want to do is just get nice stance, nice rims, a
Mm.
nice little stance going. A fishbowl. I don't want zero tints on it.
Yeah, you don't put tints on that old car like that.
Yeah. I want people to know that I'm driving, you know.
Definitely get some sick ass wheels. I don't know. I'm not like I like the old style, but I'm also like low key not. I'm not a fan of the old style when like the rest of the car is kind of like customized. If that makes sense.
Yeah, yeah.
Like if it had like its original paint and was kind of it kind of looked like a barn find with the wheels. It looks sick.
Yeah.
I feel like now it's ready for some chrome like BBSs or something.
Yeah, Volt's saying the same thing. Chrome BBSs.
Yeah, I think so.
Hell yeah.
Some deep dishes. That car needs some deep dish 3-piece wheels.
Yeah. Get custom offsets. I'm gonna do it right, bro. I kind of cheaped out on the first set. The FIRs, they were not like the
Their
best.
FIRs are kind of like it's like your entry like BBSs to be honest.
Yeah. So,
I mean that's your daily as well. This car can be like a kind of like a true show car if you wanted it to be.
honestly, dude, I want this to be the daily and then the E92 to be the show car.
Honestly, that'd be valid too.
Just-
You can finally supercharge it. Actually, yeah, you can finally supercharge the E92.
Well, dude, it's either supercharge the E92 or buy the Z36.
Nah,
They
look, you buy
cost
the
the same
E36, you wait a few months, right? You're gonna make all your money back off of it, and then you're gonna take that money, you're gonna supercharge the E92, and it's gonna be specifically for car events.
Holy shit, yeah.
Get the engine bay done, make it all custom, paint matched.
Oh, dude.
Looks like we're not longing, by the way.
Yeah, this is just like horrendous.
I don't want to short, so I'm just waiting for long. And I mean, now we're at that 705, that lower 15-minute gap. We'll see. That previous 15-minute close is not good though. Holy shit.
This don't look too good, honestly.
I mean, let's see. We're at 705. This 15-minute. Realistically, if this next 15-minute gap were to flip, which would be like 10 a.m., I might be willing to short. But this is also an area that we could hold, and we have SMT with ES in this gap now. SMT at like OTE, pretty much.
Okay, yeah, I see.
Let's see. Don't have a gap to go off of that we could flip upwards. Honestly, since we came down this deep, I think what I would do now is just wait for us to like flip back up, make a leg, and then just play continuation.
Mm-hmm. No, that's fair.
Because I don't want to like catch the bottom of this move, even though this area would be nice, but I want to get more confirmation.
Yeah, no, I agree. Yeah, Volts, those are the it's fully custom interior, but the front seats, he sold those front seats to Recaro's, so I don't have those. Like, I'm not gonna get those, so I have to get, whatever front seats I want.
Honestly, don't even get buckets, bro. Get some like comfortable seats.
Yeah. Because I'm
Or
gonna
even try to find like the stock seats if you can.
the Vaders, right? I was thinking the Vaders.
Yeah, if you can find the stock seats, I'll get those. Or even if like, to be honest, even if like you can't find like another M3 to get them out of, you can take it out of like a 330 or something.
Dude, what I was thinking, so it has the original back seats. I don't know if you're looking at the pictures, but
Yeah, so I had like the old school kind of design
yeah,
on the back.
So I
Yeah.
was thinking, get the original Vaders, buy a beat up fucking set, just buy
Oh
a
yeah, and it's
fucking
reupholster them.
yeah, and just buy the fabric online, and then just reupholster with the same fabric, you know?
Dude, look at YM.
Oh shit! What the fuck?
What the fuck?
That's weird.
So YM holds the retrace, and what Nasdaq just gives us nothing.
Mm-hmm.
Cool.
Sounds about right.
Yeah, no, definitely go for the stock seats because like buckets. If you're gonna like truly daily that car, like the bucket's not gonna be comfortable. Those Recaros they had in there look good. Like those are like ideally what you want to get. It's like hybrid between like bucket and comfort.
Yeah.
The ones that Volt sends is like those are like track seats.
Yeah. Those are like pole positions. I'm gonna get those basically volts for the E92. I'm gonna get like pole positions.
If you get seats like that, get a roll cage.
Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna do full roll cage in blue.
Yeah.
Match the calipers, match the little blue accents.
Ooh, blue seatbelt straps.
I was thinking that too, low key.
That'd be sick.
I might take a jab on this 30. No, I'm not gonna. I'll wait for us to change.
I was looking. So now we have the SMT in that gap, and we have like an internal SMT at these lows here.
Yep. We reswept the lows.
But I do want to be careful because like the movement has been a little bit odd off the open. I mean, realistically, I like this move down as like the manipulation, but now I need like a very, very obvious confirmation, like textbook confirmation here.
Agreed, 100%, 100%.
Because my problem is like the previous 15-minute made a CISD and an inverse. So now I want to see, okay, like, is this lower discounted gap actually valid, or are we just going to actually hold bearish now based on that close?
Fair, totally fair. Volts.
And I mean, usually we just buy up off that manipulation much faster.
Yeah, this isn't looking too much strong. Like, this doesn't look like speed.
Yeah, it's not quick.
If we were gonna flip this 30-second, like I would have probably wanted to see it already happen, and you know.
Yeah, it should be like 2 candles.
Yeah.
You want to see a quick flip?
Volts, look at that second picture with the front seats. That steering wheel is the Momo steering wheel or whatever they call it. So it's like you could take it off and on.
That was sick, yeah.
It's like the JDM shit.
See, I'm not gonna lie, low key, like that internal SMC, that 30-second like CISD and inverse looks like it would be pretty solid, but the fact that it's taking this many candles on the 30-second to flip is like
I agree.
not ideal.
The 1 minute on ES looks like solid. Like it looks like we reswept the lows.
Like it's starting to buy back up, yeah.
SMT changing the state, like it looks pretty solid, but just for NQ not to be following through like this.
Yeah, I agree.
This is the macro.
Definitely just want to see more confirmation. I mean, at this point now, like the 5-minute, we formed like what we have 2 bearish gaps above us now. Got the 15-minute flipped CISD.
Probably gonna.
And like also, if you look at this 15, technically, like the top where we came up at 845, technically came into this like higher up 15-minute gap, right? And then probably the line was maybe OTE of that bearish
inside the gap. Yep.
I think like something like this. Yeah, we'll see. I mean, I can see scenarios for both sides, but definitely like where we're coming from, I want to be longing.
Yeah.
ES looks super strong here.
Yeah, like that change in the state on ES looks nice, but
yeah. Interesting candle here.
Looks like we're gonna flip it there. 30 seconds.
Let's see. Let's get 30. Low key, I mean. Let me see. Holy, the ranges are insane. I'm definitely taking 2 micros again.
Yeah,
if I take anything.
Definitely be careful.
Just this little leg up was like 100 points.
Yeah.
Not bad. Did you jab that 30-second?
No, I was gonna wait for the 1 minute.
That's fair. Yeah, I'm just kind of waiting here. It's a pretty solid move up here. I mean, we're starting to catch up with ES at least.
I'm also a little nervous of this 5 minute, but like ES looks strong as fuck. Like
could potentially. I mean, if this lower 5-minute flips, could potentially be like look for a long into like the next one for break even. Like long until the next 5-minute go break even, and then hold for the highs. Look a little V shape from here now with that SMT and that gap coming out of 705.
Yep.
That wick also like landed on top of like the weekly open and like our 6 p.m. open perfectly.
Yep, True Day opened perfectly.
Yeah, honestly, could be the area it starts buying from.
Definitely.
But I'm gonna play the continuation, like I said,
Yeah.
kind of let this leg form, and then try and get like a retrace. I mean, price is moving, like it's not just super directional. So if we're gonna go higher, we should see like a retrace and stair step.
Agreed. Yep.
And I mean, if it just blasts off, then it blasts off. Like, can't really do much about that.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a manual volts. There's a nice SMT here.
Yeah, it's internal at the top here.
What's YM's just fucking running.
I mean, ES looks super fucking strong. Like, this is low key kind of like that CSD is kind of wild.
No, it does.
See if NQ catches up though. Like they're correlated, but obviously ES is just the stronger asset for now.
Mm-hmm.
And YM seems to be the strongest asset out of them all, which is not like usual at all.
Yeah, it's kind of insane.
Weird. YM's usually supposed to be the weakest asset, so it's kind of weird. It's kind of crazy though, coming in at 7:05, 15-minute gap, and like that's where we slow down and decide to buy from.
Perfect.
Pretty nice.
Remember,
Yeah.
Max Payne, dude. Max Payne.
Pretty insane. And I mean, last week you told me like there's somebody who has like the strat of like SNTOT.
Mm-hmm.
I know that somebody definitely longed here
Oh yeah.
for sure. Like somewhere from that 1 minute at the bottom with that internal SMT.
Oh yeah.
100%.
For sure. We'll see. We'll see you later today.
Oh no, we will. Bro, I'm about to just start making like execution vids like that, bro.
I mean, did you see my video that I posted?
Yeah,
Like that.
like that's what people like. They just like to see like the flex, but no one wants to learn at this point. Everyone just wants to see the money.
I know.
So at this point, that's what I'm just gonna post. I'm just gonna post just trades hitting with some LARP music in the background.
That's it, bro. That's all you need, dude.
Literally.
Call them a donut too.
Is that volts?
That was bolts.
What do you say?
He said call him a donut too. Damn, low key, we kind of missed that 1 minute gap barely right there.
Yeah, I was looking for the tap, but
I mean, honestly, if we're looking for PM as like the draw, the PM highs, stuff 200 points upwards, should be able to see some kind of continuation.
yeah.
Part of me like wants to just like kind of take a jab in this area, but like I also just want to wait for like a true like entry trigger.
The reason I'm not jabbing it is only because the ranges are so big. Like,
Honestly, yeah, that too. I mean, my stop would end up being like over 100 points.
yeah.
Have to be like 1 micro.
Really hope that this shit fucking even like a smaller time frame retrace. Like, I almost took.
I mean, yeah, that's what I'm looking for.
There was no like gap or anything, but I almost took the 15-second flip up. Like,
Yeah, that like little like retrace kind of held.
yeah. Ah, shit, dude.
Let's see. And also like ES, like as we move up, we're making SMT. Like we might SMT at like the pre-market highs here soon.
Mm-hmm. You do have SMT with New York AM high.
Yep. Still not like moving with that much speed either. So
Mm-hmm.
I think we have time. If the move is going to truly deliver to that draw, then we definitely have time. And like, you know, obviously if it's not going to deliver, we're going to end up like ranging or doing some BS.
Yeah.
So kind of see. Also now it's like we're coming up into that next 5 minute too, which would be like the break even spot. So, but then ES on the other hand made a 5 minute CISD, flipped this entire leg already.
Yeah, dude, ES looks strong as fuck.
Yeah. A perfect world would be ES like stalls for that previous PM draw, lets NQ catch up here, and then we can make the like final push.
Mm-hmm.
Because now we have SMT at the kind of like range high now. It's actually super crazy this correlation right now.
Yeah. Oh. That is a crazy SMT.
Low key. Because right here, it'd be nice if like NQ was close to the highs where I'd like be able to say, okay, that's gonna get broken. But right here, it doesn't really like look obvious. It would need to look obvious that NQ is gonna push higher to break it.
Yeah, no, I agree, 100%. Especially like that shallow of a tap into the 5 minute and that kind of a
Mhm.
reaction.
Exactly. Yeah. I mean, right here, it's like NQ kind of is like in a bearish structure versus ES is like obviously in a bullish structure. It's kind of weird. They're not like the same right now at all.
Yeah.
And then YM is just, I mean, YM just retraced off the open perfectly. Bull run. I mean, that is fucked up, bro. Like,
Look at that inverse, bro.
yeah, I mean, it couldn't have been more textbook. Literally off the open, manipulates lower into the gap, 15-minute gap tap. Yep. 1 minute, get that nice, perfect 1 minute flip with a volume candle.
That's it, bro.
I mean, wow.
Yo, Lucky, that's a fire ass trade, bro. Seriously, good shit, dude. Send that in the successful trades.
Ooh, yeah, fire.
We're gonna just feature that today, bro. That's a fire ass trade. Good shit.
Oh, yeah. Let's see here. Looks like we're kind of holding that S&T so far in that 5 minute gap.
Yep.
It's a Monday, so I'm not really. I mean, if I don't get anything, I don't get anything.
Yeah, no, I'm fine.
Still got a whole week in front of us. I just realized like Monday and Friday are the worst days to ever like give capital to the market because it's just like, I mean, beginning of the week, end of week, it just fucking blows.
Exactly, yep. You don't want to start the week off wrong, and you don't want to end the week off wrong, you know?
Exactly. I mean, granted, we caught some nice moves last night as well. So I mean, today wouldn't be like fully wasted.
Exactly. That's why I'm kind of like just de-risked today. I'm fine with it, whatever.
Yeah. See what happens. We're just correlated across kind of everything right now.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, YM and ES are leading, which is like usually never the case.
Yeah, I know.
With YM being the main leader, ES being second, and NQ being the weakest. I I saw something like T-Trade said something like YM's usually supposed to be the weakest asset, and that when YM's the leading asset, it usually means like chop on NQ and ES,
Okay.
which is fair. Kind of see here though, yeah, it looks like NQ's holding bearish, low key, for now.
Just tap that gap.
We did get like a small 1 minute flip down there,
Yep.
just like mechanical. Let me see. Indicator might have alerted that, to be honest.
It's just a
Check.
5 minute here.
Bullish 5 minute.
Yeah. Wow.
Sheesh.
Well, Diego, you just smacked TP. Good shit, dude. Yeah.
We're up 705 on the 1 minute here.
Bet.
Definitely just looks odd. It kind of looks like NQ's willing to shoot lower versus like the move up.
Nothing.
Yes, just made a much cleaner leg.
Dude, I don't know if you're noticing this, but like my candlesticks at least, when that 1 minute closes, it doesn't close for like another 5 seconds. Like it's
Like it kind of lags.
Yeah, like lags for like a whole 5 seconds.
Trading View is just kind of odd because like it doesn't have tick by tick updates,
Yeah.
so it's like I think it's more. It's like second. It's not like Trade of It where Trade of It's like you can see the ticks as it happens, and like Top Step X. Trading View is like everyone always says like Trading View is always kind of like laggy. Like even like executing on it feels a little bit odd.
I don't like the Trading View like tick. Like I don't like it.
Yeah, no, it just feels like delayed, even though it's not. It just feels like it has like a slight delay to it. Or like when we move like fast, like on Trading View, just kind of like the candle just kind of teleport. You don't really get to see like the actual volume.
Yeah, how it's actually moving.
Yeah, this shit looks like it's getting weak again though.
Yeah.
I don't know if I'm open to shorts still. I mean, like the draw for shorts would be Asia low at least, which is at 926, 28, 926, which is kind of far.
Yeah, that is.
If anything, I mean, kind of just in this range now.
We also have London Law 99 one. 990.
Oh yeah, okay. I didn't mark that out. That's why. Okay, yeah, that's fair.
It was right there too.
Yeah, it's actually valid. I mean, let's see. This 15 minute that we originally were out of could end up flipping it here and then continuing the sell model potentially.
Bro, remember I said the only way I would short is if we tap the 5 minute and then had a clean 1 minute out.
Yeah.
GG's.
It's just like, I mean, in hindsight, like SMT there and everything, but like, I don't know. It's just like in that situation, it could have just been like NQ lagging and we could have caught
Well,
up.
that's what I was thinking. Like NQ was lagging.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like after the fact now, like ES came down and we came down on NQ. Like now you could be like, okay, like, that was valid.
Yeah.
But in real time, it kind of looked like, ES could potentially just keep running out the highs.
Agreed. Yeah, I'm insane, bro. Same.
Yeah.
Feels bad. Yeah, I don't know. I don't want to short. And this doesn't
It's just really hard to like, I don't know, it's hard to like be confident in a short, to be honest. With the way these markets have been going, like we've been just buying dips up in the higher time frames. But I mean, like, if this 15-minute gap gets closed through in the next 11 minutes, and like that's our last gap in the leg, then at that point, I wouldn't be too opposed because at this point now we also failed to hold that like 1 minute, or I'm sorry, 1 hour flip up.
Yeah.
At this point, it's failed, and realistically, like all those lows down to Asia are kind of like low resistance, kind of like trend line lows now.
Definitely, yeah. I mean, we're definitely building some nice low resistance on the higher time frame as well.
Yeah.
15 minute looks super nice for just all the wicks lower.
Yeah, exactly. If we get that gap closed, then might just send us to that point. Let's see, these ranges are definitely like they're just insane ranges. I mean, that leg down was 170 points.
Wow, that's insane.
Just that little leg down. Actually crazy. So YM just looks like it's in like a retrace. NQ looks like it's like bearish, like, and then ES looks like it's just in a deeper retrace. They're all like different. Nothing looks the same.
This is phenomenal. I love this.
And then NQ came down and literally edged those lows. Let's see. I didn't realize dirty 10.
Oh shit, yeah.
Maybe a 10 a.m. PO3. Let's see though.
Love it. Love it.
Hold on, SMT down at these lows here.
5-second IFPG.
5-second IFEG.
Break even on the 5-second IFPG here.
Valid.
Dude, I'm going insane.
You know what's crazy too? The 5-second ends up saying.
That's gonna be the fucking bottom right there.
See, low key. I mean, again, if we are gonna buy up now, like that SMT there would be another decent confluence to see us send higher.
We're still holding 705. I don't know. Do we tap 7-9 there?
Just missed it on that little wick down.
Shit.
Depending how you take it.
Yeah. Dude,
Got a resweep. That's a crazy like close or like a crazy candle. Look.
The 5-second, bro. The 5-second.
Technically still holding that 15 at the bottom too here.
Yep.
This 1 minute inverse would be the valid entry, right? Technically.
So really the 3 minute. You don't
Oh,
see
there's a 3 minute gap. Okay, yeah, I see that now. Interesting.
Wow.
I mean, okay, so far, if this is gonna be a 10 a.m. PO3, so far it's playing.
Yeah, I mean, if
We
we
got
can.
the manipulation. Doesn't
Oh
look bad.
wow.
But we're gonna say if we could wait, just
If we were
flip
gonna
this
flip
3
that
minute.
3 minute, I was gonna
So that's
take.
50 seconds. Could come up.
Yeah, I might take this 3 minute.
Let me see. It's close. Would be
It depends how
100.
close. Yeah,
The stop loss is gonna be insane. Like,
I know. Literally only run 3 micros.
yeah, it's valid.
And that's still a good amount. Honestly, I'm not even gonna take this, even if it closes. I don't know. Well, no, I think I'm gonna just take it. Fuck it. It's even.
I'm thinking I might take a jab. Want to see how this 1 minute closes with this like that gap that I just tapped. Get the 3 minute close. Question is like where like what do we target? Because the highs all the way up top are SMT'd. But I mean that's like the only make sense area. So 3 minute flip.
Yeah, I'm gonna try it here.
I'll try it out.
I'm just targeting New York AM high. Just
New York AM.
1-to-1, basically.
Yeah, it's valid.
Break even.
Break even at the internal high.
Yep.
Like it.
Let's see.
Stop loss is so fucking wide.
I know it's so massive.
Literally. Let's see. I really do like that 3 minute close.
I do too. The only thing that I don't like is just ES, but
Yeah.
I'm gonna just say fuck it and just try it anyways.
I think the idea is valid.
Yeah.
You have a good break even spot, targets above, and like the setup overall is valid from the bottom.
Swept out the lows inside the gap.
Mm.
SMT still at the lows.
And like holding OT in that 15. Kind of playing like the 10 a.m. PO3 as well.
Yep.
Like this 4 hour, if you look at it, like we made the lower wick and now it's bullish. Ideally want to see it like distribute higher now. Come on, NQ, give us some delivery, give us some nice volume. At least into the break even spot.
Yeah. Send it.
I still haven't even chose like a TP to be honest.
That's valid.
I might just hold for like the range high to be honest and just go break even once it hits that area and let it run.
Mm-hmm.
See if we get the break even area.
Yeah. Need to see ES closest gap.
Yeah.
Come on. Make it easy. No.
Just send it NQ. We just need that 3 minute to like validate, like just continue.
Mm-hmm. Just be a good boy on cue.
Yeah, last week semis got fucking rinsed, like to end the week off.
Yeah, it was a bad week. Bad way to
Yeah.
end the week.
Like they took a dip crazy. Some names came down almost 10%.
Hmm.
Also, SpaceX said they'll be IPOing with Nasdaq, which I guess was like kind of obvious.
That's like actually insane.
Yeah, it's gonna be a crazy IPO. They already have their ticker and everything
Yeah, SpaceX is gonna be nuts.
for sure. All right, thank you. What are we doing?
Love it. As soon as we enter, just stops.
Just nothing.
Yeah.
All right. Like quite literally just stops.
Just stops moving, literally.
Like just give us a spike to the break-even spot.
Yeah. And nope.
Jeez. All of a sudden, ES doesn't want to be strong anymore.
Yeah, right. Hopefully that SMT holds that 3-minute gap. You just tapped on ES.
Let me see. Yeah, this would be like last resort area.
Oh no.
Spiking.
Where do you have your stop?
Just a low.
Like all the way at the low? 110-ish?
Yeah.
Word.
Yeah. Or yeah, like 118.
Word, yeah.
Want to see a spike. I don't like how ES is looking, but NQ's kind of like holding. So let's see. Okay, a little more of that.
A little more of that, please.
Just a smidge more. Honestly, just flicker through the break-even spot like dead ass.
Yeah. I'll take an SMT there.
To be honest. Let's see. Give us some follow through. We were ever so patient. We faded the other long setups that we could have taken.
I know. Faded all the short setups.
Yes.
This is incongruent with our daily bias.
And exactly. Got the 10 a.m. We're playing off like the 10 a.m. open, pretty much.
Waited for all the manipulation to happen.
Mm-hmm. Waited for a
0.705.
discounted area.
Yep.
Yeah, perfect discount.
Swept out, the internal
Mm-hmm.
SMT.
Resweep.
Holding.
Yeah. Come on, get us our break even spot, bro. The thing is, like, I wouldn't even be mad if it hits a break even spot and then comes down and takes us out. Like the idea is just valid overall.
Yeah, fuck it, bro.
I'm gonna hold for 419, which is like the pre-market highs because it's kind of like relative equal highs up there.
Bet.
So I'm just gonna let it kind of grind up there.
Only reason I'm targeting New York game high is because of the consistency.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Yeah, that's solid.
Give us the break even.
Come on, NQ, don't do it. Just hit the break even, then you can fuck off.
Yeah, I'm long bolts, or we're long.
Let's see. Five minute. We're just wick filling on the 5 minute. I want to see us break that wick. That's our break even spot.
Yeah, come and tap this 5 minutes and more. I don't
Yep.
like that tap of the 5 minute. Like, I want to see us, if we're gonna be bearish, probably sweep out that high inside the 5 minute.
Yeah, it's valid. Kind of like super high.
Yeah.
Let's see. Coming back down towards like 10 a.m. open. Don't do it, NQ. No way. It just edged just like that, right? On that break-even spot.
No way.
I didn't like that close that we just made.
I don't either.
3 minutes, kind of like the last thing that can hold us here.
Yeah.
It might be this OTE on the 1 minute maybe, with a line with a 3 minute gap. I mean, ideally, like that low should be protected if we're gonna be bullish. Like if we
Agreed.
come down to that low, it's just invalidated.
100% should be.
Come on, NQ. Let's see what's YM doing. It's gonna V shape. Just hit equilibrium on the 1 minute fib.
Come on.
ES isn't nearly as weak here, so I kind of want to see like maybe see ES start to buy up and then NQ catch up with it. Just made that bearish cap above us. See if we can like come back up close through that and then push past these highs.
Do have SMT at these lows. Yes, is looking
Oh, yeah.
stronger here.
See if we can get this 1 minute to kind of reclose and then send us back into like technically like those relative equal highs now. Let me move this and mark this up. Let's see.
Waited so patiently on Q.
Ever so patient.
It's actually crazy.
I'm sorry, go ahead.
My boy that I got into the market like just recently, like a month and a half ago, sat so patiently like the entire day and just took a trade, and it was the exact trade that we're in right now. I'm like,
Yeah, that's solid.
holy shit, dude, that's actually insane.
I mean, that's how you know like you're on sides for the most part.
Bro, and he's learning, bro. It's just crazy,
Yeah.
bro. It's so nuts.
Last night, one of my friends, he was about to go buy a game for like, he was on Steam to go buy a game for like $90, and I was like, bro, just go buy the combine, bro.
Yeah.
And then he bought the combine, then I signaled him on the short that I took, and he half passed it.
Fire. Good shit. So sick.
Shit was
dude.
sick. Deadass. It was like a no drawdown short. That short was so beautiful.
Yeah, that was a sick trade last night.
Yeah. Come on, NQ.
Yes, flip the gap there. Let's see.
Yeah. See if NQ can mirror that. I really hope we don't just build a range down here.
I know.
Just give us our break-even spot, bro. At least, like, holy. It literally came up and edged it. I mean, not like edged, but I mean, close enough.
So dumb, dude.
9 points in these ranges is pretty much an edge.
Yep.
Don't do it, NQ.
At this point, let's just take it out. Stop us out.
Yeah, like, I mean, like, Dead ass. Like if you're not gonna spike up, bro, just spike it down. It's alright. I'm waiting for that random candle to just come in and just. Where we're just like, what the fuck was that?
Yep,
Where is it?
it's right here. You're asking, you shall receive.
It's right here. Yo. Nah, I mean, a part of me is still like pretty confident in the idea we go up. It might just grind. Hopefully. I don't know.
I hate this shit, bro. I
Yeah, I mean, it's just like that's what I'm saying, man. These holds, like you enter on the lower time frame, it's supposed to be like scalp trades, and they're not because we just don't move. Come on, bro. Someone make a positive tweet or something real quick.
Positive.
seriously, dude. This is
That someone hack Yahoo's account, bro. Make a tweet.
big Yahoo.
The big Yahoo. Holy shit.
Password, bro.
So disgusting.
Literally. You gonna do us like this, NQ? Say it's not so.
Bro, look at the
The what?
5-minute, bro.
Oh yeah.
Trash.
Literally just started coming down here and zigzagging.
So dumb, dude.
I mean, like we're playing the structure the right way. It's just the delivery is so. Delivery is the one thing that you can't like calculate at all.
I know.
You just can't.
It's literally just once you enter, you can't look at anything. Just
Yeah.
let it play. You gotta trust your analysis.
Yeah, that's all you can do. I mean, the stop is wide on this, so I mean, we shall see. See, we're in that 3 minutes still, basically like that 3 minute BPR. Just want to see us blast off out of it. Sheesh. Surely they're just filling longs right now, right?
Yeah, Nerlin, we're in this trade. This is just unfortunate.
Yeah, I mean, honestly, at this point, I'm gonna break even if we resweep back like through those highs.
Yeah. Well, I was also thinking, like, if ES takes out New York Game High with the SMT, but I mean, if
Oh yeah, that's him. Oh, Yahoo. Damn. They gave us a slight glimpse. Bro. I mean, it's just like, look at the price action after the entry. Like, the structure into the entry was valid, and then price after is just dead.
See, that's what gets me so angry because, well, not yet, but if we get stopped out, what'll get me so angry is the fact that the price action was so clean going into the trade. Like, everything was there.
Yeah, everything kind of set up, like, not picture perfect, but like structure was definitely valid. Like,
I mean, fuck, dude.
and now they just refuse. They refuse to give us delivery.
Shorting right now.
Yeah, this shit's fraud.
It's like just odd. It's like, yeah, I don't know.
He hasn't even half.
It's not even moving. That's what I'm saying. It hasn't come down. Like,
Yeah.
just ranging. Well,
Unfortunate.
Literally. What a market.
Three-minute OTE is 159.
159. Got you.
Less.
We're in the 1 minute OT here.
Okay.
Last area. Pretty much that mean that low just has to stay protected ideally.
Mm-hmm.
Come on, NQ. Just for the one time, you know what I mean? Like,
Come on.
it's like, bro, like, why? I just like, it's just no willingness higher. Like, every little move higher, they make sure to sell it off.
I know.
Like, not cool.
Background color is
Come on, NQ. Slow down here. Start to buy up out of this retrace.
yeah, shit's fried, bro. I can't believe it. I genuinely can't believe it.
I can't, man. That's all this shit does. It gives you a picture perfect setup and then it makes sure to fucking invalidate it.
See, like, dude, like, I don't even want to trade New York game session anymore. Like,
I mean, literally, it's kind of like it's just been kind of pointless to trade it. Insane. Look at this shit.
so dumb, dude.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh. All right, thank you. WWW. Like, wow.
I want to say it, bro. The R word. So dumb, dude.
Just insane.
It's just unbelievable. It's crazy.
It all started from that first 1 minute flip down we didn't like.
Yep.
Like, actually crazy. No follow through.
Zero follow through. Got close. Edged us. But
It was very close. That's the thing. It was so close to break even spot, and I just said nope. Actually disgusting how it does it. Like, and it was like pretty strong on the way up, and then just nope.
yeah, no, I thought it was like gonna be a free
That was gonna
trade.
spike. Yeah, that is. I thought they were just gonna spike through it. Ultimately, we ended up holding that 5 minute wick. It looks like it's insane.
The 5-minute wick really just held.
Yep. Technically, should be stopped out. The minis took out the low. Micros didn't.
Oh shit.
About to get stopped though. Probably will come down for it.
Imagine.
That, I mean, it would be insane if it didn't, but
I mean, from here.
shit.
I got my stop at the low too.
But just insane. He has barely fucking moved.
I know.
That's so insane. That setup fails. Like, wow, man.
I know. Everything was there, bro.
I mean, that 3 minute close was perfect. I mean, I don't know. I would take that again.
I would take that every day. Honestly, I really would. This is
Yeah.
like a loss that I'm totally okay with.
Yeah, literally. See, somehow I'm still in this for now. Mm-mm.
this looking weak now.
Yeah. Starting to round off finally. I mean, granted, this loss would just make me like break even on like the overall like overnight session and like the current session.
No, it's valid. Yeah,
That's fine.
I took a nice L there.
Yeah. Probably that'll be my only trade for the AM session though.
Yeah, I'm done. I'm gonna lock out.
Yeah, I just did as well.
$758 L. That's fine.
Yeah, ranges are insane.
With 3 micros.
Yeah, like Jesus. I mean, like that. I don't know. That setup failing. I mean, I don't know. I would take that 3 minute over and over. Just kind of like a unfortunate delivery, really. I mean, it literally bought up and then just gave it all up.
I don't know. I really liked it. I really
Yeah.
did. Desire, where'd you go break even?
Oh yeah, Volt ad. There's a fucking the TV's on. That's why. Yeah, like wow, just whole setup just failed. That's insane. Now we're coming towards London. That is like, wow.
Oh, you took the first one.
And even then, that 15 minute never flipped. So then, like, we would never really been able to
No.
kind of frame short. That is so fried. ES hasn't even hit that 15 minute gap.
Yeah, it's so dumb, dude.
Like, wow.
Whatever. Screw this.
Fuck this.
Yeah, fuck this. Alright, fellas.
That's what you-
Unfortunate L, but
One trade, one out,
it was a good.
one day.
I liked it.
It was. I think it was 100% solid. I mean, we faded other longs that would have failed like before that, and I mean that. I definitely know a bunch of people took that setup today,
No,
100% over.
definitely. Alright, fellas. We will
Yes, sir.
see you guys tomorrow morning. And here comes equal.
Yes, sir.
Levels, but
Right? Yeah, you just comes to London, just one move, full sweep. Nah.
alright,
Fuck
fellas.
it.
Yeah.
All right, catch you boys in the morning.